Hey, good day everyone. Today I'm excited to bring you this MIG and stick welder. I'm going to go over each of the things and then set it up and weld with it. Here's the power unit itself. It just plugs right into the wall, standard wall socket. It's got a nice yellow color on that. Love that bright color. Here's a look at the front. Here's where you put your wire, your spool wire when you're ready. And it also comes with some 71 T1 basically, and then comes with the whip and the torch here for your wire feed process. So these get used together. This is your ground clamp. That's going to get used with either stick or wire feed welding. And then here's for stick welding. Got your stinger right there. And it also comes with a little slag hammer and wire brush, a couple of extra tips, and a little wrench there. I will say you can use this as a TIG welder too, but you're going to need all the TIG welding gear for it. See, it says LIFT TIG, so you can do like a scratch start LIFT TIG, but this would only function as the power source. You need the torch, the gas, all the consumables that come along with TIG welding. So for today's purposes, we're just going to go MIG and stick. So you want to take your ground clamp. For stick welding, your ground clamp is going to go right in here, and your stinger is going to go right in here. Your welding rod's going to go in there, and this is going to hook into here. Now you're ready to stick weld. For the wire feed process, your ground clamp is going to go into the positive terminal right there, and then your whip and your torch are going to plug right in here to the negative, and then this is going to go right in there. It slides right in and threads on. Right, there we got it. Power's on. Now if we want to go MIG, just go like that, which is what we're going to do. We're going to do manual stick welding. We're going to go MMA. So we'll go ahead and crank up the amps a little bit, try that and see how that works. Alright, here's my setup for stick welding. So I flip this switch all the way up, crank my amps up a little bit. Overall, I was very happy with this welder for stick welding and MIG welding. Thanks for watching.